Kublai pi parlok baro sai sin pat hagne ka video nganu ra byang spi hakwe dei bat ki khubor like kam kata kublai jong ka North East Center for Technology Application and Reach ka khot invite application ne ka khot application na ka banta kini ki post harum kata ka badon hadu arpsan tli ki post ha ki contract basis but kelas dia berpin submit dia ki online application kan dei hadu ka arpsan tarik bunai bakhat way arjar arpsau jegam ta sa sin pan lagar pat dia ki candidates nani ki viewers ki pape ki video lada phila bianglot ki qualification ka be dei bat kene ka nectar subha ban shim ya galat kabu apply no shwa ban kod ka dei ka arpsan tarik bunai bakhat way arjar arpsau tengnengan persoi phi namta ki post hagdei ka Department jong ka North East Center for Technology Application and Reach and banakong ka di ka post name senior research follow number post 2 location kan di po Aizawl Mizoram but Imphal Manipur but ka apa age limit kan di life science name te nadu ki bala dap khat pras name hadu life science name phidang la ban apply na kamta ka post senior research fellow Nakamenta ka salary can they life sanajar shibnai but qualification can they ki candidates ki bala pandep ya ka BSc in any discipline or equivalent from a recognized university and a desired qualification bachelor degree in electrical or mechanical engineering. So those candidates who have qualified for the bachelor degree in electrical also can apply for the following posts. And also they need the essential experience, minimum 1 year of experience in field survey activities like technology application, project implementation in the area of agriculture, horticulture, botany, biotechnology, life science, forestry in Northeast India. And the second post name technical assistant, number of post 7, location Gandaya po Assam, Laijaligi post, Tripura Ataligi post, Mizoram Kawiki post, Nagaland Kawiki post. And for the upper age relaxation or age limit will be till 35 years. And the salary 25,000 per month. And essential qualification for those who want to apply for the post of technical assistant will be BSc in any discipline or equivalent from a recognized university, and also experience minimum 1 year of working experience in the sector of agriculture and allied in Northeast India candidate with experience. So those candidates who want to apply for the technical assistant, so kindly I request please take this an opportunity, fill up application before the last date. And third post, the name of the post, finance and advance assistant. So nakamanta take a post kadon artily location can they have Guwahati but Hashalong upper age limit 30 years but ka salary can they are sanajar shivna and essential qualification can they ki candidates ki bla pandep ya ka become but minimum 2 years work experience in handling payment and accounting aspect with knowledge of tally. But nagamta ka post ka basaw hangnay pinui ka post name day certified drone pilot number of post 5 upper age limit can day 35 years and the salary for the certified drone pilot 25 to 30,000 per month. And essential qualification here only the candidates who have qualified class 10 or 10 grade or equivalent and above with valid remote pilot certificate from DGCA authority or RPTO. So those candidates kibala pass ya ka class 10 pila ban apply na kamta ka te ka certified drone pilot but ka desirable hangte ki sharu ya ki graduate with at least 10 square kilometer flying experience on photogrammetry mapping or similar technical areas. And number 5 we have post name co-pilot field assistant hangne ke don ka number of post hadu neutly upper age limit kan dei hadu life science name kata ka bumut adu khat pra adu life science name phila man apply na kata post co-pilot field assistant but ke salary hangne kan de khat prajar do arpojar shibunai but ke essential qualification lani kadan kaba phila man pule na kaba phila man apply na kumta ke post kan de ya kito ki candidates ki bla pendep tang ha class 10 ru kila la man apply na kumta ke post but kidai ru bandon jing tip ha ba dei but ka DGPS drones kata kibala laju amlin ban use ki drones ngo ha ban apply nam ta ke post tikna be pin sayo and components and drone flying procedure ha kum no pin fly ya ki drones ba pin operate ya ki drones la da pla nang ban le yakta directly pin yo be ya ke post but shushu nam ta ki desirable lani kidang don shushu ke jing island nak benta ki fresher ki bala don jing tip lani ki bala de ban pule ha ka be dei but ki rules kum no ban pen hari ki drone ki neru ki la ban apply la dai phi la pass 10 12 degree ru la ban apply nam ta take post next pede hine nagum ta ka post ka ban riu ka post name kan dei project fellow number of post to upper age limit kan dei 35 years salary hangne kan dei 30 to 35,000 per month and essential qualification will be the master degree in geoinformatics or GIS and remote sensing, geography and allied subject, or master degree in environment, geology, or science with PG diploma in RS and GIS or equivalent discipline. So those who want to apply for the project's fellow, you should pass this master degree in geoinformatics or environment geology. Te parlok barok kito kidi ki number of posts ki bangala de ban perseng shipi kumjuru ki name of posts of the different posts which will be vacant in the next department. Te nakata kadao sa sen pat nga ai jingmut bat nga kentu kan pam ya pi shim ya kane kalat ko bu khamtam e shim ya kite ki post ki ba khamtam e ki ba rit ki degree yo le se na pop state me khala phila pandep ye ka class 10 12 13 to degree shim ya kite kalat apply no na ka bata kite ki post khamtam e ki to ki parlok ki ba la ju million man pandon kam ya ki drones man shishuru yo le se gidon ki parlo ki pape ga video hande philap pen biang lot ki class ki kerdan hande phim biang ka kam ka jam shim ya ka nikalat ka bu apply no nang ta ki te ki post mo te sa sen pat yo le se phidang de gi bat mai ha ka video bat channel chonga subha ba phin ya share like but subscribe na ka benta ki we pa de ki khobor like kam ki banang mi ha ki ni ki sing gi banawan te kumno ba phin apply na ka benta ki te ki post pa de hangne te so ban late long ba ka official website jong ka nectar dan e phila aro ban shu click ya ka link ka bangan sabu apo ka description box ka janga but apply online tang long ba ka mobile phone ka jong phiru khala long te yo le se phidon e ban kli hak pe de bat ka te ka vacancy post jong ka nectar so ban bu I comment sung phi apo comment box section nang bangan tip ha ki e gi ta ki jingli la ne phidon ka ma yu yang ban kli te sai sin pat so ban ya share like và subscribe na ko benta ki we pa de ki video ku dei shibon